Hey guys, it's Nikki here with LifestyleDIYW, and I'm bringing you today my Dollar Tree Burlap Beedecor banner. Oh my god, say that 5 times. It's so crazy. So I wanted to make something for my mantle, and I thought of this little bee banner that I saw, something similar on Pinterest. But I had the banner, the burlap banner from Dollar Tree, and all I did was cut some felts. I used 2 quarters to make the bee body. And I cut a couple pieces out, and I made some strips from yellow felt and cut those down to size. And I made a teardrop wing for the bees, only because, you know, I had to make it look similar to like the bee wings or whatever. So that's what you see me trimming here. Now you have to trim those down to size depending on the burlap size. And I constructed my bee body. As you see here, added some pipe cleaners, and I wanted the bees to be in all different you know, positions on the banner, just because, to make it look like, you know, like they were actually flying around. I don't know if I did a good job of that, but whatever, it came out super cute. And all you see me doing is assembling the rest of the bees on the banner triangles. And you hot glue them, and you make them look as, you know, bee-ish as you can. And you assemble your banner, you add your twine, and it comes with these 6 triangles, and it comes with the twine. So you have a full banner to DIY however you choose. And I made some tassels at the end and attached them to the banner twine. And that was pretty much it, guys. It came out so cute. So simple and cute for my mantle, and I'm gonna do a full mantle review maybe sometime this weekend, but I wanted to get out some of the DIYs so you can see them before I release the entire mantle review. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you love this video. And make sure that you're watching my Instagram, because I am sharing all my Beedecor DIYs in real time on my Instagram as we speak. So every day I'm sharing either a tier tray or a DIY or something in reference to my Beedecor. I told you guys it was coming, and here it is. So stay tuned for more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. LifestyleDIYW. Bye.